Guys, welcome to my channel Hardest Math. It's me Binesh Kumar Mandal, and today also I came with one of the interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is: in the given figure, the length of AB sides is 12 and the length of EC sides is 4 and the angle CDB is 60 degree, and it is asked to find the area of blue parts or blue regions. So if you would like to give this problem try, just pause the video. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's start to solve the questions. So to solve these questions, first of all, we have to draw a perpendicular line from the point C to the line AB. So I am going to draw here a perpendicular line from the point C to the line AB. So this is our perpendicular line from the point C to the line AB. And again I am going to draw a perpendicular line from the point E to the line AB. So I have drawn here two perpendicular lines from the point C to the line AB and from the point E to the line AB. And I am going to let their length as the length of this side CM, this height CM is H, and I have let this the length of the sides EN as H1. So I have let its length as H and its length as H1. And the length of ED I have let it as A. Suppose that it is A. The length of ED sides is A. Now, as we can see that the triangle CDM and the triangle EDN, these both triangles are similar to each other. So we can have here triangle CDM is similar with triangle EDN. These both triangles are similar. And if these two triangles are similar, then we know the properties of the similar triangles, that the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are proportional. So we can proportional their corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides of this H is H1 and the corresponding sides of this A plus 4 is A. So we can have here the corresponding sides of this H is this H1. So H by H1 is equal to the corresponding sides of A plus 4, that is CD. The corresponding sides of CD is ED. So CD one length is A plus 4, CD one length is A plus 4. So A plus 4 divide by, and ED one length is A. Or now we can bring this A plus 4 to this side and this H1 to that side. So if we bring this A plus 4 to this side, then this will be H by A plus 4 is equal to, if we bring this H1 to that side, then with this will be H1 by A is equal to, this will have the value root 3 by 2. This both will have the value root 3 by 2. I will explain that how they have, this both have the value root 3 by 2. So let's see here. I am going to take in triangle EDN. Let's see the triangle EDN. Triangle EDN, we can see here, this is the triangle EDN and it has the length A and it has the length H1, and this angle is 60 degree. So this is perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse of these triangles. So perpendicular by hypotenuse means this is the value of sine, so we can take sine here. So sine 60 degree is equal to, we do have here perpendicular is H1 by hypotenuse, perpendicular is H1 and by hypotenuse is A, so H1 by A, and the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 is equal to, it becomes H1 by A. In the same way, if we see in triangle CDM, if we see in the triangle CDM, then the triangle CDM1, perpendicular is H and the hypotenuse is A plus 4. This whole side is hypotenuse of this triangle. So A plus 4 is the length of hypotenuse and perpendicular has the length here H. So again we can take here also this, well, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is as, in these triangles perpendicular is as, by hypotenuse is CD side. So CD side has a length here a plus 4, a plus 4, a plus 4. Now we can use the value of this sine 60. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to, it becomes h by a plus 4. So finally, as you can see here, h1 by a and h by a plus 4 both have the same value, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Therefore we can say that h1 by a is equal to h by a plus 4 is equal to root 3 by 2, because these both have the same value here, root 3 by 2. Therefore I have written here h by a plus 4 is equal to h1 by a is equal to root 3 by 2. Now we are going to find the value of h and h1. So the value of h will be here. If we calculate the value of h, then the value of h will be here root 3 times a plus 4 by 2, and the value of h1 will be here. The value of h1 will be here, that root 3 times a by 2. So this is the value of h and this is the value of h1 that we got by solving these equations. Okay, now we are going to find the area of triangle ABC. So the area of triangle ABC, we can use the formula that the triangle area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base into height. So half is half and base, it's base. The triangle ABC has a base here 12, as you can see here in the question, that its base is 12. So base is 12 into height. Height is, the ABC has a height here, ABC has a height here h. Triangle ABC has a height here h, and the value of h is here, as you can see, root 3 times a plus 4 by 2. Now we can cancel this 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. So it becomes finally 3 root 3 times a plus 4. So this is the area of triangle ABC. This is the area of triangle ABC. 3 root 3 times a plus 4. 3 root 3 times a plus 4 is the area of triangle ABC. Now we can find the area of triangle AEB. So let's find the area of triangle AEB. Now area of triangle AEB. So area of triangle AEB is equal to, again we can use the same formula, 1 by 2 times base into height. So 1 by 2 and base. Now triangle AEB has also the same base here, 12. So 12 into the area of, triangle AEB has its height h1. Its height is h1. So h1. Now we can put the value of h1. So 1 by 2 base is 12 into base is 12 and into the value of h1 you can see here, the value of h1 is root 3a by 2. So root 3a by 2. Now we can cancel this 2 by, we can cancel this 12 by 2, then that will be 6, and again if we cancel this 6 by 2, then this will be 3. So finally we got here 3 root 3a. So this is the area of triangle AEB. Now we have to find the area of blue parts. So area of blue part is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AEB. See in the figure that if we do subtract the triangle AEB from the triangle ABC, from this whole triangle, then we will get the blue parts here, blue regions here. So area of blue regions becomes here the area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AEB. Therefore I have written here area of blue region, area of blue parts is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle AEB. Now ABC, triangle ABC has the area, as you can see here, triangle ABC has the area here, that 3 root 3 times a plus 4. So we can put its value, its area here, that 3 root 3 times a plus 4, and minus area of triangle AEB. AEB, triangle AEB has the area here 3 root 3a. So 3 root 3a. Now we will solve this. So if we do separate this, then 3 root 3 times a means it's a 3 root 3a, plus 3 root 3 times 4 means it's a 3 4 the 12 root 3, and minus we have already here 3 root 3 times a. Now we can cancel this and this, because this both will be cancelled because it has positive sign and it has negative sign. So finally we got here 12 root 3. So 12 root 3 is the area of blue parts. So in this way we can solve these questions. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos, and if you like the videos, then like it, comment down below, and share it to your friends. And at last I would say, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you so much.